Good day, friends. Today's class will be talking about the subject of friction. Instead of introducing concepts that will make the work complicated for students, I've come up with a model, a formula for simplifying the work. Let's go with this question. Two bodies X and Y of masses 5 kg and 10 kg respectively are connected by a light inextensible string as shown below. This is the string. If X is placed on a rough surface of coefficient of friction 0.5, calculate the magnitude of the reaction on X, frictional force between X and the surface, and tension in the string. And this is the diagram. I've actually come up with labeling the masses M2 as for X and Y with M1. This is coming from me. So we have to calculate the normal reaction on X. The formula for calculating the normal reaction on X is given as reaction equals to mg. Our reaction is the weight of the body on X. So our mass will be, of X is 5 kg and our G is 10 as given in the question. So that will give you 50 Newton, 5 times 10. Similarly, we have to calculate the frictional force between X and the surface, and the formula for that, F subscript R, is mu mg, where our mu is called the coefficient of friction, that's 0.5. Our mg has been calculated before, so that will give you mu, which is 0.5 in the question, times 50 mg. Mg is this 50, and that will give you 25 Newton. Similarly, we have also calculate the tension in the string, and that is where I want you to pay attention now. When you want to calculate the tension in this string, you will see problems like leading to simultaneous equation 1, equation 2, making the work complex for students. So I've integrated all these simultaneous equations into this formula. The tension will be given as 1 plus mu into brackets M1 M2 over M1 plus M2G. That's the formula I've introduced. When our M1 is 10, our M2 is the one for X, that's 5. So this is the formula. So you just substitute in the formula and you arrive at 1 plus our mu is 0.5. You write it down. Our M1, which is signifying 10, M2, which is signifying 5, over M1 plus M2, that's M1 is 10 plus 5. Our G is 10. So let's finish it up. So that will give you 1 plus 0.5, that's 1.5. 10 times 5, 50, over 10 plus 5, 15. Times 10. So if you do this very well, you know that 10 times 1.5, that will give you 15 times 50 over 15. So if you cancel very well, our tension will be 50 Newton. I hope with this method of mine and this analysis of mine, any question coming to you as far as this diagram is concerned, you are free to go. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.